with the curls popping. Curls are popping. So the first lip that I want to do is the Uncensored by Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. I did a whole makeup tutorial featuring this, but it wasn't popping. Like, I wasn't to terms with how pale I was looking, and I looked super bright. I looked like Michael Jackson bright. Like, my hair was real jet black, and my face was real bright. So it wasn't a good look, so I deleted that. Okay, so from previous use of using the Uncensored lipstick by Fenty Beauty, this does have like that orange reddish look to it. I wouldn't say this is a true red, not on me. It looks a little bit more orangey, especially with this pink. You gotta be careful with pink and other colors. Like, it kind of throws off anything. Like this red onesie I had on and this pink backdrop was looking a little bit off, but to me it does look a little bit more orange than red. But the last time I did a video with this, it looked straight red. So I guess it just really depends on your makeup. I tried to keep it basic, no eyeshadow, no nothing. The only thing else that's colored on my face is like the blush, and you really can't even see that very much. So yeah, I don't know, it comes off orangey to me. This does dry like a cream matte, like MAC's cream sheen. It kind of reminds me of that. Like, it doesn't have a sticky texture to it. I actually went to go eat with this lipstick on, and it really didn't smudge too much. I was eating something that was a little bit greasy, so it did kind of wear off in the middle, but that's to be expected, especially with certain foods. But yeah, this is pretty, like, to me it reminds me of like a stiletto. So I mean, of course the packaging is cute, all of that is cute or whatnot, but the feel, I think it's the texture that is really winning me over. Like, it's not too dry, but it's still not like creamy. Like, it's not too creamy, it's not too matte, is what I'm trying to say. And the color is nice, even though I don't think it's the true red on me. I would say go ahead and try this. I wish she had like a lip liner that came with this. Did it come with a lip liner? I'm not sure, I don't remember. But this is really pretty, like super pretty.